everyone, my name is Ritika and welcome back to my channel. As you all know that Diwali is just around the corner, so I thought why not make something to decorate the house. So I come up with these Diwali wreaths. Those who don't know what Diwali wreaths are, they are some kind of wall hangings. People also hang it on their door to decorate it, but I'm going to decorate it on the wall. So you'll get to know it more about in the video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So for making the layers of the flower, you need A4 size colorful paper, a pencil and scale.
Here I have taken an light orange color. So I have done the measurements by 4 into 4 inches and 4 into 3.7 inches on 4 pages. Let's cut these out. After sorting these out in different groups, it's time to fold and stick it to form it in a parallel or a cone shape. For making the petals, you just need to pinch the corner of the paper and fold it, making each side coming together, just like this. After that, secure it with the glue. When the petals are ready, it's time for the base on which we'll stuck it on. For the base, you need a cardboard or cover of any non-usable notebook, mark the center, and make a circle of 10 cm radius with the help of compass as shown in the video. Then cut that out. Now it's time to stick the petal on the base. Use a pen or a stick to secure it on the base. Here I have made another circle inside the base to make sure that the petals remain in the place in order that they should be. For the second layer, I have chosen an orange sheet and with the measurement of 4 into 4 inches on 2 pages. After this, the yellow sheet, and the measurement for that is 3 by 3 inches on 3 pages. For the innermost layer, I have taken 2 shades of cream, and one is darker, another one is lighter than the others. The measurement for these are 2.5 inches, same as before. Cut and fold. Assembling time. Organize the petal to know how it is going to look. When you are happy with the organized structure, secure it with the glue. Make sure that the petals are safely glued on and not falling apart from the base and other petals. And now the last part, the final part, that is the center. For that, take a different shade of paper, cut it with the measurement of the remaining space in the flower, and then cut it. Then for the side frills, take some left pieces of the paper that we use to make the petals. Cut it like these and paste it on the circle. Turn the circle and bend the frills, making it stand like this. Don't worry if they look messy. It will look good at the end. Place it in the middle space that is left in the wreath and glue it. Voila! We are done. Isn't it looking amazing?
So guys, that was it for the video. Don't forget to make these for your home, and follow me on Instagram